As a new parent, one important decision is whether to breastfeed or use formula to feed your baby. Health experts agree that breastfeeding is the best choice for both mom and baby. They recommend breastfeeding exclusively for the first 6 months and continuing to breastfeed until at least 1 year, ideally up to 2 years. Remember, how you choose to feed your baby is a personal decision, and only you can decide what's best for your family. Breastfeeding is a great way to bond with your baby, and it has many benefits. Breast milk has all the nutrients your baby needs to grow and develop. It contains antibodies that help protect your baby from getting sick. Breastfeeding can help prevent health problems, like stomach problems. Babies who are breastfed are less likely to be hospitalized for breathing infections. Mothers who breastfeed find it easier to lose weight after pregnancy. Breastfeeding is more convenient because you can do it anywhere and anytime without needing to prepare formula. Breastfeeding is the natural, healthy choice for both mom and baby. Commercial infant formula is a nutritious alternative to breast milk. It's made to provide the vitamins and nutrients that babies need. However, it's important to only use store-bought formula and not make your own. Some women choose formula feeding for several reasons. Anyone can feed the baby a bottle, allowing both parents to share feeding duties and bond with the baby. Formula feeding allows moms to leave the baby with others and not worry about pumping or scheduling around feedings. Formula feeding moms do not need to worry about how their diet affects the baby. Formula does not have the protective antibodies found in breast milk, so babies do not get the same immune support. Formula-fed babies may experience more gas and firmer bowel movements than breastfed babies. Choosing how to feed your baby is a personal decision. Many parents change their minds after their baby is born or decide to mix both breastfeeding and formula. Talk to your doctor for advice to help you make the best choice for your family.